Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, March 4th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a place where you can watch a film. And number 2 is a huge country in Asia. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The movie theater is good. The movie theater is good. Movie theater. It is a place indoors with many chairs and a screen. Now we can make a flashcard and remember it forever. In American English, ER. In British English, RE. Please make a card like this. Movie theater. ER. American English. 2 words. Down here in this corner, please write CTY1. This means city, level 1. Over here, the number 30 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Moo. The. Ter. Movie. Theater. What about you? Did you go to a movie theater? What did you do there? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will go to China. Jennifer will go to China. China. It is a huge country in Asia. What does it mean in your language? Now we can make a flashcard for China. We always use a big J for Jennifer and a capital C for China, the name of a country. The adjective is, can you say it? That's right, Chinese. Chinese food. Chinese music. Chinese people. Chinese is also the language. Please repeat, can you speak Chinese? Please make a card like this. Write China up in the top left corner and Chinese, adjective and language. Down in this corner, country 1. This means country, level 1. Over here, the number 4 out of 26. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The 2 red letters sound like I. Chai. China. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned Movie theater. Very nice. And where is Bob? He is in China. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The children are in the playground. Very good. You can come here whenever you like. And irregular verb, sit, sat. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.